if you remember a few weeks ago, we had planted this yard from seed, reseeded it.
Right, so we're reseeding this horrible, nasty yard, and it's full of weeds. And what we want to do is overseed it, reseed it, just try to get any kind of grass growing at all.
We'll have a link in the description right up here if you want to check that video out. But here's the result, and look at this. This is one seeding, no fertilizer added. This is just because we overseeded it.
We reseeded this a second time with more seed. I think we ended up putting 20 pounds of grass seed over 1,000 square feet or 1,200 square feet.
And look how thick that is. That is just, it's ridiculous. It came in really nice. So our 2 cents worth is if you're gonna reseed your yard, spend the extra money and overseed it, because instantly we have a really decently thick lawn with just a little bit of extra cost, and it's worth doing. Then you don't have to worry about it later on. We haven't put weed killer down because the lawn is young. We'll probably just dig these weeds up. Originally, this whole yard was just a weed patch, and then we put topsoil over it and then overseeded it. And so those weeds are from the yard underneath, and that's just a hazard of what we had there. We'll go ahead and pull those by hand for some time into the future till the lawn's good and mature, and then you can probably put weed killer down on it. The one key to this that we really liked, that we would do again if we had the opportunity, was the grass mats.
And so that way it's less likely to blow away. Because what we're trying to do is keep the seeds moist and shaded till they start sprouting and growing. And those mats should work out great.
The straw mats that we put down, it kind of helps retain the moisture. It is more expensive, but I've done a yard before where we did hay, and literally the next day all the hay blew off. We've even reseeded that yard with a slit seeder, and that yard is still struggling. So do it right the first time, overseed it, use the grass mats, and this is what you get. This yard is outstanding compared to how it used to be. This is definitely worth doing as a DIY project because it doesn't take a lot of your time. If you got sod, you'd still, this is as thick as this is, it's equal to sod, and sod's like what, 50 cents or $1 a square foot. That's to buy it, and then you gotta have someone put it in. That's just stupid. It takes just a little bit of extra time, a little extra watering, but the end product is amazing. And it really just took a few hours in the morning to get it reseeded. So it's a DIY project. Go ahead and do it. Spend the time. You'll be happy you did. I hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you in the next video.